This is the Module 5 skills test entitled Doppler shift, and it's pretty straightforward. There's a little video example of what the Doppler shift is with sound waves, but the Doppler shift is true in any kind of wave, sound wave or light waves. So what you're seeing in the bulk of this activity are absorption spectra. And so in question 1, you have to match these absorption spectra, ABC. Let me change the color of my pen here. ABC with the appropriate description. And keep in mind that you will be using all three of these descriptions, okay, and you won't use any one of them twice. So that should help you with question number 1. Question number 2, you're told that star D is stationary. And then you have to choose not only the direction of motion of the remaining stars, E, F, and G, but also the relative speed. So you have to determine whether it's a redshift or a blue shift, and then the size of the redshift or blue shift. So you'll be selecting out of both of those columns. Then finally, the last part has to do with the spacecraft. The spacecraft is emitting a signal, and you have to tell whether or not, in fact, you have to rank, actually you do the same thing. You choose the type of shift and the amount of shift that would be experienced at locations A, B, C, D, and E at the moment when this spacecraft is essentially right between locations A and C.